In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an appointment on Calendly. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, we're here to make the process as clear and straightforward as possible. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to head over to the Calendly website. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and typing in calendly.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you've never logged in before, you'll need to enter your credentials. If you're a returning user, logging in should be a breeze. After successfully logging into your account, you'll find yourself redirected to the Calendly homepage. This is your central hub where you can manage all your scheduling needs. But today, we're focusing on how to cancel an appointment. So, let's move to the next step. From the homepage, look for the option labeled Scheduling. This can usually be found in the main navigation menu. Click on this tab to proceed. This will take you to the section where all your scheduled meetings and appointments are displayed. It's like your personal calendar, but with a bit more oomph and customization. Once you're in the scheduling section, you'll need to find the specific appointment you want to cancel. To do this, scroll through your list of scheduled events until you locate the correct one. It helps to look for the date and time to ensure you've got the right appointment. Now, for the next crucial step, locate the three-dot icon next to the appointment you wish to cancel. This icon is typically found on the right side of each event. Click on this icon. It will open a list of options related to that particular appointment. Among the options you see, select Delete. This will initiate the cancellation process. A confirmation pop-up might appear, asking you to confirm if you're sure you want to delete the appointment. Go ahead and confirm your decision, and that's it. The appointment is canceled. Remember, when you cancel an appointment, it might be polite to send a follow-up message to the other party involved, just to let them know about the cancellation. It maintains professionalism and can save you from any future misunderstandings. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to cancel an appointment on Calendly. I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit any section if you need a refresher. And remember to subscribe for more how-to content. Thanks for watching, and have a great day scheduling.